Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to change employer in Glassdoor. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to change your employer in your Glassdoor account, all you need to do is simply tap open the Glassdoor app itself. So once you tap open the Glassdoor app, you will end up in this kind of interface where all you need to do is simply tap on your profile icon. So once you tap on profile, tap on the demographics, and once you tap on it as well, you will be redirected to this interface where you can find the change employer option. So once you tap on it, you can simply select your new company's email address and type it on. So once you have confirmed your email address, you need to press the next button and follow the on-screen prompt, change your employer. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.